Hey girl, I'm back with another deep conditioner series video. In this episode, we'll be using Silk Elements Strength in Silk Cholesterol. Okay, so Silk Elements Strength in Silk Cholesterol with coconut oil and silk is made for relaxed and natural for dry, brittle, weak hair. It conditions, rehydrates, and helps to improve elasticity in weak, over-processed hair. So when I was relaxed, I love Silk Elements. I used to just use this product all the time, and then once I transitioned and once I became natural, I just cut it out because I was finding that a lot of the things I used while relaxed did not work for my transitioning and natural hair. So I decided that I'm going to start incorporating protein into my hair regimen, and cholesterol treatments are a version of protein. It's a mild protein treatment. It's not strong, so you don't tend to get that like stiff feeling that you get with other protein treatments. So I felt like the cholesterol was a good way to start, and I found that I don't necessarily have a protein deficiency, but I lack elasticity. My hair doesn't always have that snapback, and my ends, they don't always form that curl that you would expect. And my hair is not heat damaged, but I do think I am lacking elasticity. So I figured cholesterol would be a good way to kind of make up in that area and get my hair back to its natural healthy state. So this is a kind of yellow product. It's really thick. Like, it is super thick. So when I apply it to my hair, I kind of dilute it with water by making sure after I've applied it to my hair, I kind of just let the water run in my hair and then I redistribute it. Because if I just leave it in that thick state, I don't feel like all my strands are being coated. I feel like my hair is being clumped together, but that hair in the center is not being coated with the product. So I let the water kind of loosen it up. That way it can run through all my strands. And then after I did that, I placed my plastic cap on and I sat under my hooded dryer. This states that it is a rich and creamy, deep moisturizing formula, and it helps to rehydrate and condition hair that's damaged, helps to detangle and improve elasticity to reveal softer, healthier looking hair. Great for relaxed and natural hair types. The directions say apply thoroughly to clean, damp hair, making sure ends are treated. Leave on for 2 minutes or 3 minutes for excessively dry hair. Style as desired. So this is kind of stating that it's a quick, little treatment, and it doesn't even recommend heat. But most naturals know you don't deep condition without heat. In my case, I'm low porosity. My hair already doesn't absorb product, so I need that heat to open my cuticles to allow the product to penetrate my hair. So deep conditioning without heat is just not gonna happen. So this is my hair. So I'm going to rinse it out and I'll come back and let you know how I feel and what I think. Hey girl, so I just rinsed out my deep conditioner and we used the Silk Elements Strength in Silk Cholesterol. So let's see what it's looking like. So this is my hair. I do have a little bit of leave-in because when I do my wash and goes, I like to apply my leave-in in the shower. So I'm sorry you can't see the state of my hair, but I am going to verbally describe what I felt and how my hair looked to me while I was in the shower. So when I rinsed out the cholesterol, I do feel like it coated my hair. There was pretty good, bounce with finger detangling. I felt like my strands had a little bit more elasticity, but I do still feel like they were kind of like sticking together. Like the elasticity still isn't completely there. Like I feel like my hair strands are still kind of limp. So I want to keep using this particular product to see, does it really bring back my elasticity? Or, is it just a dud? So I do feel like it has improved, but I do think it could get better. In terms of my hair feeling silky, I would say no. My hair was soft, but I wouldn't describe it as being silky. It was just a little smoother, a little more elasticity, and soft. So overall, I do think this is a good deep conditioner if you yourself struggle with elasticity as well. I do think there probably are better elasticity treatments out there. This product is about $4.99 if you get it from Sally's. So a really inexpensive elasticity treatment. So in terms of it working, I did see some improvement, but not enough in the first usage that I would say, oh, I would run out and repurchase this. I've seen a little bit, but it may be a product that you have to continuously use, and over time you see improvement. So I do want to keep using this, and I do want to see if over time I see better results and better elasticity. And then I can let you know, like, is it worth it, or is it something that, you know, can help but is not really gonna get you there. But for $4.99 and a 19-ounce jar, it is a decent price. And if your hair is a different texture than mine, you could actually probably see more improvement than I did, because I just have really dense hair. Like I said, I felt like the product wasn't really coating all my strands, so I had to add water to it just to distribute it a little bit better. If you have type 3 hair that's not very dense, this may actually work a little bit better for you. So do keep that in mind, but I'm going to keep using it, and then I'll update you as to whether I do see improvement over time with the elasticity. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something. Please like my video and comment and share if you'd like, and subscribe to me. I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya.